In GTA 5 Online, making money is the key to upgrading your lifestyle and expanding your criminal empire. One of the best ways to generate cash is by engaging in businesses. You can start by purchasing a nightclub, bunker, or CEO office, which opens up a range of profitable opportunities. The nightclub, for instance, generates passive income as you acquire supplies, and the bunker allows you to produce and sell weapons. Both businesses require some initial investment, but they can yield high returns over time with minimal active involvement. Another effective way to make money is by completing heists. Heists such as the Pacific Standard Job or the Doomsday Heist offer big payouts and can be done solo or with a group. Preparation missions can be time consuming, so the rewards are significant once the heist is completed. So the key to success is teamwork and planning, especially for the more challenging heists. Additionally, time-sensitive money-making opportunities like special cargo or vehicle cargo missions can be lucrative if managed well.